Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. This video is going to briefly discuss the K-1 and some specific comments I have regarding the K-1. Notably, I've been cruising around the internet, surfing the web as it were, and I noticed some advertisements which basically stated that a K-1 visa could be obtained for 25,000 baht, and that fee was an all-inclusive fee. I believe it even stated that included all fees. So specifically a 25,000 baht all-inclusive fee to obtain a K-1 visa. And I just wanted to sort of point out a couple of interesting notes on that. Is, first of all, from the USCIS website, the Department of Homeland Security, the Department of Homeland Security's United States Citizenship and Immigration Service website, effective 12 a.m. Eastern U.S. time, December 23rd, 2016, the fee for the K-1, the I-129F petition, is now $535 US. Okay, so $535 US. There's another video on this channel about recent changes, the forms, and updates regarding the fee changes, the fee schedule change for USCIS petitions. But so it's $535 US to file the initial petition for a K-1. Now the next thing is the interview fee at the U.S. Embassy here in Bangkok, based on one of my most latest cases I filed on Friday. The interview fee here at the embassy is 9,275 baht. Okay, so that's interesting. Now, 9,275 baht and $535. Those are the government fees that no matter what case you're going to deal with, no matter what the circumstances, if you're filing a case for a K-1 visa to be processed here at the U.S. Embassy in Bangkok, Thailand, those are the fees that you will have to pay. The interview fee you will have to pay, and the petition processing fee for Department of Homeland Security. You will also have to deal with medical exam fees and other sort of incidental fees that come from like travel to Bangkok, and also fees pertaining to things like passport photographs, things like this. Generally speaking, it's been my experience that most medical exams that are performed for purposes of obtaining a U.S. visa, most medical exams run somewhere in the neighborhood of about 5,000 baht, usually lower, but in strange cases, that's usually about the upper end of it. So let's say it's only 3,000 baht, but even beyond that, okay, $535 based on the current exchange rate as of today, which is Saturday, January 14th, 2017. The current exchange rate is 35.41 baht to $1 US. So that means that as of today, the current cost of simply the USCIS filing fee is 535 times 35.41, which equals 18,944 baht. 18,944 baht, and add that to 9,275 baht, we get 28,219.35 baht. Over 28,000 baht, and that's just for government fees. Okay, that's not even considering that if one was to purchase an all-inclusive 25,000 baht visa, and they say fee inclusive, all-inclusive, then what? So they're going to not only do the work essentially for free, they're going to pay 3,000 baht to assist in the processing of a K-1 visa. I only bring this up because I found this interesting that 25,000 baht, I don't see how this all adds up. I could be mistaken. I guess maybe I'm not understanding what the advertising is all about. But that being said, much as with anything, and I have another video on this channel, ascertain the credentials of anyone you're going to be dealing with when having someone process your U.S. immigration case. An American attorney is qualified and has the legal ability to represent individuals before the Department of Homeland Security and the Department of State, specifically the U.S. Embassy here in Bangkok. Those not so qualified cannot do that and charge a fee for that. That's considered sort of the unlicensed practice of law. With respect to so-called visa agents and things, again, it's something of a gray area in a sense, but it's fairly clear who clearly can represent people before government agencies pertaining to immigration. And American attorneys can do that. So ascertain whether or not the individual or individuals one is speaking to are actually licensed American attorneys prior to processing or seeking that individual or individual's assistance with processing U.S. immigration matters.